now the first one is in instruction. Now, what this instruction will do is simply it will input a byte from port. Input a byte or word from port. For example, if I write INAL, comma 95H. Now what this instruction will do is it will copy, okay, a byte or word from 95H port into AL register. So here I have used an AL. It means that it is going to copy a byte from this port. Okay. So when you are writing IN instruction, this is considered as port address, but not as an operand. It is considered as port address. Okay. So whatever is there at this port, that 8-bit content will be copied into AL register. This is an 8-bit port. Why 8-bit port? Why? Because I have written only 2 hexadecimal numbers. So the port address is recognized as 8-bit port address. Okay. So if I write INAX, comma 95H, this instruction will copy the word from the port 95H into AX register. It copies the word from port 95H into AX register. Here it is copying the word. Word means 16-bit here. Okay. Word means 16. So this is what this instruction will do. Now, sir, if the port address is 16-bit, here I am using only 8-bit. The port address is 8-bit port address it is. What if the port address is 16-bit? Then what you need to do is, if the port address is 16-bit, then you need to use a DX register. Now what this will do now? It will load the 16-bit port address, okay, in DX register first. Then after that, you can write it as Observe these instructions. See, what I have done here, simply I have moved or copied the content of this 8-bit port into AL register or AX register. If you want to transfer a byte, use AL. If you want to transfer a word, use AX. Directly, whatever is there at this port address, that content will be moved. Okay, this is the first case. Whereas here in the second case, if I want to write it like this, INAL, sorry, AL or AX, whatever, comma 9596H, this instruction is not valid. Why? Why? Because the port address is 16-bit. The 16-bit port address content cannot be moved directly into AL or AX register. What you need to do first? First of all, move this port address into the DX register, the 16-bit port address into DX register, and from the DX register, move it to either AL or AH. Okay, this is what you need to keep in your mind, that if the port address is 16-bit, then first you need to move that 16-bit port address into DX register. Okay, then from DX register, that addressed content can be sent either to AL or AX registers. Okay. In means from port address into register, that is why it is an in instruction. The next one is out instruction. What this instruction will do, it will send a byte or word to a port. Okay, from port in to port out. Okay, see, for your understanding, always remember byte means here always it is 8-bit, and word in the 8086 means 16-bit. Byte in the sense we may use AL or AH type of register. Okay, either lower byte register or higher byte register, AL, BL, CL, DL, or AH, BH, CH, DH. If you want to store or if you want to transfer 16-bit data, then you must use AX, BX, CX, or DX. Okay, so now out in the sense, in this way I can write out if I write an instruction out out which address I have taken, okay, 96H comma AL. Now what this instruction will do, simply it will send a byte here. Why? Because I am declaring lower byte register only here. So it will send a byte, okay, from this AL register on to this port address. Okay, so what it will do, it will copy content of AL register, that is byte, to the 8-bit port located at 96H address. Okay. So it is copying the content whatever is stored in AL into an port address of 96H. Out, it is an out instruction. Here also, if the port address is a 16-bit, you are not allowed to directly copy the content of AL or AX register into the port. What you need to do is, see, if the port address is 16-bit 9596, I cannot write like this. Why? Why? Because the port address is 16-bit port address. So I cannot copy the content directly into a 16-bit port. What I need to do is, instead of writing like this, what I need to do is out so first if the port address is 9596, first I need to send this port address into DX register. Now I can use okay. See what I have done. If I want to transfer a byte or word from register to the port, what I need to do first? First, that address of the port, that is 16-bit port address, must be sent to DX register. Then from the whatever you want to transfer, that thing you need to transfer it into the DX register. Same as in. Okay. In the out, 16-bit port cannot be what we call, cannot receive the data from the register. Okay, what you need to do is that 16-bit port address, first you need to send it to DX register, then whatever you want into that DX register, you can send it. This is an out instruction. Okay, so is that clear? Is that clear for all of you? In and out instructions. Out means register to port. Once again, I will conclude this thing. In, out. Okay. Register to port. Okay. Register to port. Am I correct or wrong? Register to port. Port to register. Is this clear for all of you?
Sir,
Right. Very good. Now we will move further. Now we will discuss about arithmetic instructions. Okay. The first in this group is add instruction. Okay. The format for add instruction is simply add destination, comma, source. What this instruction will do is it will add the content from source to the content from destination. Adding the content from the source to adding the content to the destination is nothing but add instruction. The instruction add content from source to content from destination. Okay. And whatever result you will get, okay, that is stored in the destination only, and the result is stored in destination. Okay. For example, if I write an instruction add AL comma BL, what this instruction will do, simply this will add the content from BL into content of AL, and where the result will be stored, and the result is stored in which register?
AL.
Very good. And the result is stored in AL register. Okay. Now, here the source is register and the destination is also registered. Suppose that you want to add 02H. What you want to do is, suppose that if you want to add 02H and 04H. So here these 2H and 4H, if you want to add, I cannot write an instruction 02H comma 04H. This is an invalid instruction. It is not a valid instruction. Why? Why? Because both the source and destination are operands. Why it is not allowed? Why? Because what I told you, the result should be stored at, what is that? The result must be stored at destination. What is destination here? Destination is operand. You cannot store a operand in operand. It is not at all possible. So what you need to do now at the destination side, it should be a register or a memory location. In the sense, instead of writing like this, what I need to do is move this, what we call operand, into 02H. Now I can write add AL comma 04H. This is allowed. What this instruction will do now? It will copy the immediate data 4H with the content of AL register, that is 2H, and the result will be stored in AL, that is 6 will be stored in the AL. Whether this instruction is clear to all of you? Are you able to understand?
Sir,
Very good. Okay, let us do an addition program.